Hey, I'm Caleb and this is my bike I have S&M third bar,
Hold your S&M bar is 9.5.
9.5. I have the Air Max pad grip. So hard to show them. And obviously Air Max Balance, and then I have Odyssey brake cover
It's
in the
Odyssey.
tropical color. I did say that.
You said Odyssey.
Good.
I'm just
And
messing
then
with
I
you,
have
girl.
Shadow Conspiracy brake cord. And then I have my front rim GT X purple GT hub and rim and all that. And I have Kendra wheels
And the tires.
and tires, and I have
Crown.
uh,
It's crown outside.
yeah, and then my forks are hutch, and then my headset. See,
Your headset. What is this headset? Standard headset.
convict
No, that's yeah, convict stand.
stolen, and then I have Shadow Conspiracy color red bolts. See them? Yeah. I ordered most of the stuff off there. And I have the McNeil brake cord. You can see, and I have a hutch frame. Hutch frame. I have wrong up with that. And I have Stephen Hamilton animal pedals. I have stock hutch cranks and sprocket. And my back rim is a hutch. I No one knows about hutch, but I think it's pretty good. Oh, and Kenda tires. And I have a United pivotal seat. Nice, if you could see it. Sure see the design, but whatever. And is that it? Okay, that's about it. See ya.